guys, what's going on? Today is Saturday, and today is the day I bring the block and everything on the bottom end to my builder Spanky to start getting a bit put together. I still have to take the crank. Well, he's gonna send out the crank because he worked for a machine shop, so he's gonna send it to get hot tanked and polished, the crank, so he can put the bottom end together. But I'm gonna take everything I need now, so taking the block, piston, rods, water pump, oil pump, all of that. And yeah, gonna go get this motor built. Not sure exactly when, maybe this week, next week, I'm not sure, but he needs the crank. So yeah, let's get the stuff and head over. Getting the pool ready?
Yep, setting up the pool now. Thumbs up.
Alright, on engine parts, block, piston, rods, water pump, oil pump. I think that's about it. Yeah, let's go bring this bad boy over. Alright, we just pulled up to my boy Spanky's. Hopefully we're able to park here.
Nobody here builds motors.
Steven.
Band 24 protects against Staphylococcus aureus and Enterobacter bacteria.
Nobody here builds motors. I don't know what you're
viruses.
talking about.
Every time you touch a surface, you leave behind bacteria.
Get the block.
Use Microban 24 sanitizing spray to keep surfaces sanitized all day.
Watch and look at the weather, because depending on how the weather is, depends on if I want to come here or not. You like that shit? Oh, the cops are coming. What's the car? You just said it.
I dropped the motor off at Spanky. Man, the myth, the legend, already building the motor. My crank is over here. Gotta go get that sent. You said to hot tank and polish, right?
What we're gonna do is gonna send it out to get micro polished and hot tanked and check for straightness, make sure that it's not bent in any way. And polish up the journals, clean it up, make sure there's no gunk inside of it. You know.
Yeah, cause this block. I mean, if you guys remember, this block was disgusting. So he's a man with the plan. Do everything he says. Send that out. Get to building. You guys remember doing. So all of this is what this man right here told me to get. So did the CP 1051s, upgraded wrist pins, recommended by my man's. Actually, I have a piston right here too. I just brought the box because it has the. I know you need that. It's right here, 1051 compression. What is 81 and a half bore? The baby there. Put this back in the bag. Hold on.
Opening these saran wrap blocks is like opening a present on Christmas.
You know what's funny? It had a wrap already on it, and I just rewrapped it again because I opened it. I needed to see it. Yeah, look how clean it came back. You see this?
Yeah, it did.
It was this. I mean, right here you remember seeing this. Right here it was all like brown and shit. All of that came out good. Got the fresh sleeves. Chilling. I seen these are rated for like, people be using those for like 800 and shit.
Yeah.
You'll be fine, right? What's this? You gotta explain all this because this is fancy stuff.
This is a bore scope.
A bore scope?
Yeah.
So this what checks it to see if it's scarred or anything. Is that what they use when they check my board to see if it was messed up or scarred?
No. Bore scope, what it is a camera.
Oh, okay.
So what I'm gonna do is, since you want me to check the threads, I'm checking the head studs threads.
Oh, okay.
So I'll make sure the head studs threads are not messed up in any way. Machining, sometimes what happens is when they machine the block and they hot tank it and don't blow out the
like
holes, you'll see like metal shavings still inside. So it cleans it, you know, it lets me know that, okay, you know, that there's no metal shavings, you know, I just got to do a little, maybe like pass the air in it. Silverish color.
Okay.
So these actually last longer.
So
You
it's
know,
legit. So it's good.
Yeah, it's legit. It's
Alright, cool.
legit.
I got it a while ago on eBay, and I was like, I mean, I realized it came from dealership, but I was a little iffy on it. But I looked up the dealership and everything was legit, so I was
That's
like, alright,
legit.
cool.
The painting of the block gotta
Do
all that
before?
stuff gotta be done before,
Okay.
because I gotta tape off the top of the deck. I gotta tape off areas that I don't want paint to get to. So I would have to paint it, tape it off, paint it, and then start assembling.
Yeah, I think silver. I mean, I think for the most part silver. Oh, I mean, this color looks nice too. That color looks good too.
Because if I paint the silver, it's gonna look like that block.
Oh, yours.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
The giveaway.
Yeah, this is like, yeah. I'm gonna tell you guys about this block too. He's giving this block away. I'm gonna talk about this right before I leave. But this block, I don't know what you guys think. Silver. I like this gunmetal right here. This gunmetal looks nice.
But I
Gunmetal.
will put it up and be like, yo, what color you guys think I should paint the block, you know?
Yeah. Let me know in the comments. Gunmetal, which I'm really digging, or like factory silver. Oh yeah, I see it. Yeah, that one right there.
See, but we gotta get a couple of seals. Like the pickup, we gotta get the pickup seal for that.
Yeah, just gotta write me a list,
Yeah.
and then I'll send it over to Tom. And still like little stuff here and there. I got the cams already. Everything is done. So yeah, I mean, I guess once that crank gets sent out and it comes back, knock that one out, and then I guess we'll just move to the head. I mean, the head is already assembled. You gotta look over it because it's been a while.
Yeah.
Upgrade LMAs. I got some Skunk 2 LMAs. Yeah, then that's about it. Man's about to put in work. See, that's all he does. Look at this. Everything. He's giving this one away. So I'm gonna put his Instagram right here on the screen. Go out, check out Instagram. You're doing what is it? $35, right?
50 a spot, 150 spots. I'm down to 115 spots left.
So this right here is like
That-
you want to make pow. This is full legit.
That motor belongs to a customer and he ran into some issues. So I'm doing the giveaway to help him out because I'm trying to get him his money back because, you know, he's going through financial issues and everything. So the giveaway money for that, either if they take the block or if they take the cash option,
Cash.
either way he's getting his money back for his motor.
Okay. And what's in that motor?
That motor has Wiseco boost line rods with plus 625 volts. It's a CSS race CSS done to it. It has custom JE pistons. The compression is 11.3. It has thermal barrier coating, side skirt coating, upgraded wrist pins. It has full set of King engine race bearings. All the specs are standard. It's the standard block. The rings are cut for boost nitrous. Brand new all factory main bolts and girder bolts. New rear main seal. The block is also going to include a brand new JE Pro Seal head gasket in 88mm, which the bore size is 88mm right now. That short block itself can make 700 plus without no problem. So anybody that wants to make a turbo motor or even a nitrous motor, it's a great block to use. But like I said, if you want to enter and you do not want to take the block and you wish to take the cash option, you can take the cash option also. So the cash option is a $3 grand payout for first place. Second place, you're gonna get $250. Third place, you're gonna get $100. There's a fourth place, and the fourth place depends on the first place what prize he takes. So if he takes the block, you're gonna get $50. If he decides to take the cash option, you're gonna get a free entry. So I'm gonna re-raffle the short block again because I'm an H guy, you know. I rather put that K in somebody else's hands that I know is gonna need it for whatever they want to produce.
Yeah, cause that bad boy right there, it's a real bad bitch right there. It's about to make some good old power. Everything is legit on this motor. This thing is beautiful. Once this is done, we're gonna bring over the head, get the head done, and we're gonna leave this block here, right? We're gonna leave this block here when it's done. Yeah. So then I'll bring over the head. He's gonna look over, check over everything. We gotta do.
It's just that I want to do the block first. Get everything done with the block first because as you see, I got multiple motors that I'm doing at the same time. So if you bring everything, that means I got more parts to worry about.
Yeah.
At the moment. So once I'm done with this, then it's okay. Bring the head, bring the rest of the parts that I need to finish up the bottom end, and then to torque the head and everything like that, and then we start getting that done. It's like because I just got that block in. That's on the floor. That has the garbage bag on top.
This one? Oh, okay.
Right here.
Oh, yeah, okay. Oh, damn, I didn't even see them. They got motors here, there,
So
over there, everywhere.
that one's another block, another B series that you could take the garbage bag off if you want.
Oh, this one's done already.
Yeah. So the customer did the motor about 2 years ago, and it's been sitting. So what he wants me to do is he wants me to take it apart, re-oil everything, just go over it again, and
These are aftermarket sleeves, right? Oh no.
I don't remember. You would have to lift up the head gasket.
That sleeve looks clean. Oh, it's CSS. Oh, yeah, it looks aftermarket. Yeah.
CSS, another CSS block.
Yeah.
As I say, support those that support you. CSS has always been good to me. I known Jeff before he started doing this. He was doing like little stuff for me, and back in the days for a shop that I deal with that I put him onto, and he's a great guy. He does great work, does excellent work. So always support those that support you.
Yeah, and they'll support your engine to what? Rated like 800, right? 800 horsepower.
Well, depending on the type of CSS he puts in, he guarantees 700, and then the race one, I think he guarantees a little bit more than that, but on certain blocks. On certain blocks, he doesn't guarantee. I know on B20s he doesn't guarantee it because there's always an issue.
Yeah, it's because they always crack on the sleeve, right?
Yeah, because if you notice on your block, you see how you have 4 individual sleeves. On a B20, the sleeves are connected.
Because the bore is so big?
Yeah. So they take out the aluminum that's in between, they connect all 4 sleeves as a complete sleeve insert, and then they tend to crack right here in between.
Yeah, I always see that, all the time.
Because of the heat. So that's why he really doesn't guarantee them. But if you're looking for something on a budget and want to make good, decent power and not worry about sleeve shifting or anything, CSS is the way to go.
Yeah, you see it right here, all these motors. Well, heading home now. Actually, I gotta head home kind of quick. My boy Andrew's coming to meet me. But yeah, that was basically just a run through of everything we're doing. Him explaining stuff. He's the GOAT. This guy's been around doing motors for fucking years. He's worked at a machine shop for years, so now he just does everything out of his garage, which is smart. So, yeah, let's head to home. Might even just end this vlog here and just do another vlog. But yeah, that's that. Let's just wait for this motor to be done. Still gotta get more stuff. Like you guys heard them. Little stuff here and there, which is easy to get. So, thank you guys again for watching. Remember, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that like button for me, guys, please. I really appreciate it. That will let me know you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, guys, build to enjoy. Peace.